So hi people, now we are at Shapoorji Pallonji Parkwest 2.0 where I'm going to show you the model flat of a 3 BHK. So this is the entrance of the 3 BHK where you have a 8 feet door, teak frames with pre-engineered wood. We're also giving you a face recognition camera where you'll be having a display inside. So let us walk inside. So this is a 3 BHK with 1920 square feet of super built up area, and we are giving you around 3,350 of carpet area. So as you observe, the common area. So here the foyer, the living hall, the dining hall, we are giving you the highest quality of Italian marble flooring. This is the balcony space where you have a very big balcony for you to sit outside and chill in the evenings. So here is the kids room. As you people see, it's a very spacious room. It's almost the same size of your master bedroom, where we give you vitrified tiles flooring 2x4 in size, the big tiles, and also in all the rooms we are giving you French windows, 8 feet big windows. So all the paintings will be done. These are the interiors, and the washroom, as you observe on your right hand side, this is a very sophisticated washroom with Kohler and Jaguar fittings, and whatever you see in the video, it will all be completely given with the handover of your flat, with the glass partition, the commode, the shower area, the false ceiling and smart lights. So in the washrooms, everything is included. So totally in your house, you'll be having 3 washrooms, 1 common washroom and 2 washrooms. So now I've showed you 1 washroom which is attached to the kids room. So now I'll show you the common washroom. So all the washrooms, as mentioned, it will be completely furnished with Kohler and Jaguar fittings. So now let me show you people the kitchen. So the kitchen comes with vitrified tiles flooring, and then we are providing you a granite countertop. The sink and the tap from Kohler and Jaguar. We are providing you the wall tiles, and also we have a very big utility space on your left hand side where we'll be providing you the grills and electrical and water points on both your left hand and right hand side. And also your gas will be pipelined and gale connection will be given, so that you don't have to carry your cylinders to your house, and that struggle will not be there. So now I'll show you people the parents room. Normally a house will be having a guest room, kids room and master bedroom, but then we have come up with a concept where we have a master bedroom, a parents room and a kids room. So this is the parents room. So even this is a super spacious room with French windows and vitrified tiles flooring. But then you don't have an attached washroom in this room. So coming to the biggest room of the house, we're going to the master bedroom, which has wooden flooring and multiple windows for your cross ventilation. So all the rooms will be of almost the same size, little bit bigger than this, and also the washroom which we are providing in the master bedroom is of the biggest size. As I've shown you the model apartment of a 3 BHK, I've shown you only a place where you have only 1 balcony, but also if you people require more balconies, we have few floors where we have additional balconies, and also in the top 4 floors we have penthouses. So it's a super spacious room at a very lucrative price, that too in central of Bangalore. So I hope you people will come to the site soon and meet me as soon as possible. Thank you.